Hello everybody and welcome to my Film It Friday. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then keep on watching. So, I'm sorry I look so rough. I've not long got up. Yes, I still am in Florida. I'm sat on the floor doing this on my Mac, so I'm really sorry if the quality is not amazing. I'm still in my pyjamas, no makeup, disgusting hair, need a shower. So, how is everybody? I hope you've had a lovely week. I am currently sorting all my stuff out to go back home because kind of did a bit of shopping. Little tiny understatement there. I bought loads. I've also bought lots and lots of yarn, but what I've done is I've got these vacuum packs. You don't actually need a vacuum cleaner for them. I don't know how they work. They are just magic. You basically put your yarn in. Julie, there is your yarn if you can see it. Obviously this one is not full up yet. I need to go to Walmart and get some more yarn for the lovely Julie and for myself, not going to lie. So I've got this one and another one. I've got 3 that filled in the suitcase already. Honestly, just if you look in that cupboard there, it's terrible. It's just like yarn everywhere. So I've got that. I also bought, I'm so excited about this. It's the alien popcorn bucket. So if you've ever been to Disney, you will know that they do popcorn buckets. So the popcorn buckets are about $10. And it's literally a bucket with a lid. And you can get it refilled for $2 each time once you bought the bucket. But they do alien popcorn buckets and I love him. He is so cute. So he was quite expensive. He was $25. But I wanted one for ages since I seen, so I'm trying to do this quietly, everyone, with these. His little strap's got aliens on as well. He is just lovely. And I just said to Megan, can you imagine, this is my new handbag walking down the street. I've named him Alan. He's so cute. So I've got that. I also, crochet-wise, there is a little bit of crochet. I finished the bodice piece of the cow. I know mine looks huge, but I'm doing a large because I want it super baggy. I put this colour on the silver on the end, and I am now on the sleeves. So, I have actually managed to get some crochet done whilst I am here, which is brilliant. What else can I show you? Oh, I bought these as well. These are pins. Like, you never have enough pins in life if you're a dressmaker. And these pins have got little birds on them. They're so cute. They're from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99, but I had a 60% off coupon. So I got those. My bag broke, my rucksack, so I also got this in Walmart. This was only $15. Yeah, so this morning I'm trying to sort stuff out. I have got shorts on, by the way. I'm trying to sort stuff out, and then later on we're going to go to Magic Kingdom. I've got fast passes for Space Mountain, best ride ever. Although Beth, when we went to Disneyland Paris last year, went on Space Mountain and I thought she was going to faint because she didn't really do rides. She came off and she was like green, which was quite funny. But I don't think this one is as savage as the Paris one because the Paris one is newer. So, yes, that is my Film It Friday. So, from me and Alan, the claw, I will see you next week when I will be back home. So we're flying home Monday night and I get home Tuesday morning. And hi Lisa Marie, if you're watching, thank you for house sitting again. And thank you for sending me photos of the building site, much appreciated. So I will speak to you all soon. Take care, happy crocheting. Bye.